Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable enhanced transfer security during smart switch transfer in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accounts and backup. Now here click on bring data from all device and then click on this three dot more icon. Now from here click on settings and here you will see a enhance transfer security button. So if you want to disable enhanced transfer security during smart switch transfer, then turn off this button. And if you want to enable enhanced transfer security during smart switch transfer, then turn on this button. So that's how you can enable or disable enhanced transfer security during smart switch transfer in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.